Hi everyone, welcome to Unofficial Design. In today's video, I will quickly and easily make this dynamic background. Let's get started. First of all, let's create a new composition 1920 by 1080 pixel. Right click to add a new solid layer. Color doesn't matter. Rename it background. Okay. And we need to search for turbulent noise. This is a very useful effect. Just apply and increase the contrast to about 500. Fractal type to swirly. And complexity 1. Open the transform cascade and increase the scale about 500. And for evolution, we add the first keyframe and go to the last frame to change it to. And the second effect is colorama. Find output cycle. Drag the handles to adjust the position, and you can try different colors just to play with it. So I use this rainbow-ish color palette. Yeah, and you can see we almost get there. Add a new adjustment layer and apply curve to increase the contrast. And a new adjustment layer, noise. Search for noise and apply. Amount of noise 15. Beyond this, you can play with some interesting settings. Cycle repetitions, you can increase it to 3. Now you can see the very interesting change. And you can make it flat. Just uncheck the interpolate palette and go to turbulent noise. Decrease the contrast. Hope this video helps. See you next time.